down this back snowy road. Look at this hill we're going up. Had to put it in, lock in the differential. Getting a little hairy. We almost didn't make that.
All right.
Look at it. Ooh. This is something else. The farm's way up on that hill over there. We finally arrived at the farm. One,
Longer anyway,
two, third driveway. So we unloaded a couple units and we're helping the farmer out. He needed to bring a unit down to another farm, and you know, he didn't have any money to do it. Well, he gave us a couple bucks, 12 bucks, but we're helping him out. We're gonna go down here and unload it, and then we're heading back. Unloading it right on the road. It's got a lull. Here's the other farm.